What's up, you guys? This is Chris. Today we want to dive into my collection for the month of July. So let's see how we did. So right off the start, you can see that the month of July is a little bit less money from the month of June. Actually, not a little bit less, almost $800. First reason is we do not have any contract sales. I did not sell any contracts, so my contract number is 0. Then the ATMs, I actually sold the ATMs of Orlando and Cocoa Beach. So now I don't have 13 ATMs anymore. I have 8 plus 2, which means 8 ATMs are mine and 2 ATMs I am a voter for. Soon I'm striking a deal for a third ATM that I'm going to be voting, so that's going to bring extra revenue. So the ATMs actually did better than the previous month of June, as you can tell. Then we go to the coin pushers. I still have 8. The amount that they brought me in is pretty much the same. I write here 8 minus 1 because the 9th one is still in the shop. I mean, in the storage unit. Gumball Machines, I'm not going to check this month. I want to let them ride for 3 months and then I'm going to check. So my amount here will be 0 for now. After 3 months, say I make $1,000, or let's say I make $900 from the Gumballs, then I want to divide it 300 for each month for the last 3 months. So that spreadsheet will be a little bit updated in 3 months. Now we go down to the claw machines. I still have 4 minus 1. The reason why they're minus 1 is because one machine is out of order, the same machine that gave me problems. It's still giving me problems. I'm trying to figure it out. But they did bring pretty much the same amount, as you can see here. 380. Last month was 374. So even with one machine down, I didn't even check it actually. I went there, it wasn't working, couldn't fix it. I'm working towards fixing it. Okay, we go to Touro. As you can see, this month and last month I had 0 people. I'm gonna make a video about Touro. I'm thinking about exiting that type of market, and I'll explain why into my future video, so stay tuned. If you guys are still watching, please help me propel this channel and give it a like, consider subscribing, and drop a comment down below. Massage chair, I haven't checked to be honest, but I don't expect it to be more than $10. So I just put 0. I'm not gonna go soon into the account, so screw it. For $10, it's not gonna make that big of a difference. Contract sales, like we said, nothing. And merchant services, pretty much the same deal, you know, 70 cents more this month, which can definitely go and take a girl out on a date with. So all in all, I will be making videos that are about 5 minutes long because people nowadays don't want to watch 10-minute videos. All in all, we cleared $2,300. This does not include my rental income and does not include my private money lending. So with that income, it's going to be more than $2,300, but I'm trying to keep just those businesses. Now, if you want to see my ATM videos breakdown, it's going to be up here and links down below. And I made a video about the Gumball machine business. I'm going to link the video down below as well as in up here. But thank you all very much for sticking up with me, guys. Remember, the goal is not to look rich, but to be rich. Keep hustling. I'll see you next time.